Howdy folks, we are back once again for yet another RC Explosion Box subscription box by Philmington. Information on that in the comments below. This is the February 2024 edition, and let's get into it. I have been skunked the last 2 months as far as autograph or relic hits, or really big rookies. I've gotten some refractors and some okay rookies. Some really good packs though. It looks to be a lot of packs in this edition. So let's see what they are. Sometimes you get bonus packs. This is quite a lot of packs. Oh, and here is kind of the rundown that he always includes. Let's see if I can get that focused a little bit. You can see, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10 packs for February 2024. Very, very nice. So I'll put that aside for now and maybe refer back to that if I need to see what rookies we're looking for. Let's see if let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's see what I want. We got 2013 Update Series, 2019 Series 2, a Stadium Club Chrome from 2020, 2021 Bowman, a 2021 Bowman Draft First Edition. I definitely don't get a chance to open up these packs very often. Okay. A 2022 Chrome Jumbo Pack, 2022 Update, 2023 Bowman, a 2023 Chrome, and a 2023 Chrome Update. So lots of Chrome. Save that first edition towards the end there. And let's go. A lot of packs to open this time. Let's see what we get. Usually, the way it works with this box is you'll get, as few as maybe 5 packs, I think, is what we got in the last box. But usually, if it's a few packs, they're usually really on the higher end, or there's some jumbo packs in there. Or you get a box like this, which has 10 packs, still some very good packs. Also, just some some flagship and some regular Chrome. Let's go to it. Alexander Corey Julks, rookie card for the Astros. Titans, Fernando Tatis insert. It's a pretty cool insert. Reminds me of the 1995 Pinnacle baseball card with Frank Thomas climbing over the stadium. I always think of that when I see images like this. And a Ryan Walker rookie card. Okay. 2023 Topps Chrome. Okay. Do have, looks like a refractor in here, or an insert of some sort. Max Fried. There. J.P. Crawford, that is the refractor. I saw that Mariners and thought maybe it was Julio Rodriguez. No such luck. Okay. Mike Trout and Christian Yelich. Take that out. It's just gonna create glare for me that I don't want. So, 2022 Update. Flagship Topps. Okay, rookie card. Jack Swinsky. And we're going backwards now. Michael Lorenzen, Eric Thames. I feel like he's been playing forever, but just 7 years. Alec Thomas rookie card. Is it Thomas or Tomas? I should know that. Will Smith, Rowdy Tellez, Josh Winder rookie card. Currently in the minors. Gary Sanchez, no longer a Twin. Ethan Roberts rookie card. Derek Hill. Craig Kimbrell. Just saw him pick who's he with Detroit, I think, or Baltimore. But he's been around forever. Nick Tropiano, Starling Marte, and Nick Lodolo rookie card. Okay. Sure, let's go with the 2022 Topps Chrome Jumbo Pack. '22 Topps Chrome has possible autographs of J. Rod, Bobby Wick Jr., Spencer Strider, Royce Lewis, Spencer Torkelson. No autograph in this one, I don't think. There's something thick at the end. Maybe. Let's see what we get here. Steven Strasburg. Now retired. Great picture. Lots of injury problems, unfortunately. Xander Bogaerts. A little stickiness on these. Tyler McGill, rookie. Nico Horner. That's sticking together. Starling Marte. Joe Adell. Max Muncy. Ryu. Stuck together. Hold on. Patrick Wisdom. Rookie Cup. And a Freddie Freeman Heart of the City insert. It's a very cool looking insert. Of course, Freeman no longer with the Braves. Bruhan. This looks like a blue refractor, possibly. Nope, it is an auto of Edward Cabrera for the Marlins. And there's a Ryan Mountcastle rookie cup, Topps Cup card, refractor on the back. I like that one. But this autograph is also numbered to 150. Signed in 2015. Major League total 0-3 with a 5.81 ERA. So probably not going to be the next Eckersley or something like that. But nice autograph hit out of that pack. And a nice Mountcastle refractor. So we have a hit. Let's go to 2023 Bowman. I believe I don't open a lot of Chrome, but I've watched other videos and heard a lot of people complaining about how much Topps floods the Chrome product with rookie picture autographs, late September call-ups and guys like that. And that's fine. It's good for them. They get an autograph card. It's pretty cool. But probably not a lot of value there if that's what you're looking for. Here's, what did I just open? 2023 Bowman. Wilson Contreras. Tatis. I like this design of Bowman too. Bowman, there was like 2020, 2021, 2022. They all blended together for me. This is a little bit different. Max Meyer, Justin Verlander, Mike Trout. Blue of Nolan Gorman, rookie card. That is numbered to 125. You can see, boy, they stamping is so micro thin right now. You can barely read that, and I'm probably not going to get to focus the way I want it to, but it is numbered out of 125. Nolan Gorman, 2023. Okay. He is a first round draft pick, 19th overall, shortstop, third baseman. So that's very nice. Scouts Top 100, Trey Sweeney, Yankees. Max Wagner, first, Bowman. Wilbur Sanchez, first. Mickey Romero. Looks like I got a green back here. Maybe it's an auto. That'd be cool. Peyton Graham, Bowman first. Green refractor, green auto, insert. What do we got here? It is a Marcelo Mayer, number 299, green refractor. So, pretty good pack there. Got a numbered blue paper, numbered green refractor. Some decent vet cards in there. All right, sticking with the Bowman, but going back to 2021. And let's see what we can get in here. Okay. Dylan Carlson, rookie card. Miguel Cabrera. Max Kepler, back off the IL, playing for the Twins. Gleyber Torres. Jason Dominguez, futurist insert. Austin Hendrick, Reds. Braden Shumack. I'm sure I butchered that. Ismael Mania, first. James Beard, and there he is again. I'm not even going to try it. Shortstop for the Braves. A first-round draft pick. So, looking forward to him later on. Keep going back in time here. 2019 Series 2. This has the Tatis, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Pete Alonso. Decent rookie class. Future stars of Ahmed Rosario. Frankie Cordero. Kristen Stewart. Not of Twilight fame. Castillo Wellington. Got a gold coming up here. Austin Barnes. Orioles team checklist. And our gold is going to be... Hey, Anthony Rizzo. Not too bad. Popular player. Liked him more with the Cubs, though, than the Yankees. Number 2019. Okay. Just set that up there. Tyler Austin. Former Yankee prospect, Twin slugger, and played, I believe, in the Korean League. Most recently, Bryce Harper, Starlin Castro, Yandy Diaz, Ian Desmond, and Manny Machado. Okay, 2019 is another design that I really like. from Topps. All right, switch to Stadium Club Chrome from 2020. We've not opened any of this product in the past. I like Stadium Club. Okay, how these are gonna go. Okay, JT Realmuto. Brian Anderson. Beam Team. This is a Beam Team insert for Francisco Lindor. Actually, a really cool looking insert. I like this one. It's got a refractor finish. I'm sure they're all like that. Mike Soroka. Cool card with the palm trees in the back. Will the Thrill Clark with the Giants. Also played for the Rangers and the Orioles. And Tyler Glasnow. Okay. Nice high-end cards there. Let's see. Let's go back to 2023 update, which features rookie cards of Nolan Arenado, Garrett Cole, Christian Yelich. 10-card hobby pack. Okay, Brandon Morrow. Looks like I got a gold in this one too. That's cool. Alex Amarista. Martin Perez. Had a good year for the Twins. There it is. Christian Yelich, one of the marquee rookies in this set. Looks to be kind of off-center there, but nice looking card. Back with the Marlins. All right. Joe Mauer All-Star Game card. And our gold is Junichi Tazawa. Red Sox. Should be numbered. It is to 2013. Jonathan Villar rookie card. Craig Stamen. Jason Nix. And John Lannon. Okay. Did pull one of the big rookies out of that one. We will finish with this 2021 Bowman Draft First Edition. Same as regular 2021 Bowman Draft, with the exception of the First Edition stamp in the lower left-hand corner, which is refusing to focus on me. Wow, that's bad. There it is. Chad Patrick. Looks like got a foil card in the back here. Kevin Alcantara. Ryan Hogate. Angel Martinez. Dante Williams. Adrian Del Castillo, J.J. Bleday, Cooper Bowman, Andy Rodriguez. He is one of the featured rookies in this product. For the Pirates, and our foil is Jordan Groshans, shortstop. Not numbered. Okay. Not a bad rip this month. Got an auto hit. Color refractor. Couple of Topps golds. Couple of decent rookies. And that'll do it. Happy trails, y'all, and thanks for watching.